Hi there, students. The down low. On the down low, a prepositional phrase. Okay, if you keep something on the down low, it's kept secret. So I'm going to tell you some information, but on the down low. Yeah, it's secret. I don't want everybody to know about this. So keep it on the down low, okay? Yeah, don't tell anybody about it. It's a secret. Um Okay, so on the down low, a secret thing, on condition of secrecy, normally in the phrase on the down low. So politicians like to keep certain things that they do on the down low, because if the press get wind of them, there's going to be a terrible scandal. Okay, somebody could give you the down low on something. Yeah, they could tell you important personal information about them. Give me the down low on the boss. What happened last night? Okay, so notice, on the down low, secret. But give me the down low. Give me the information. Tell me all about it. Yeah? Okay, so give me the down low on this. Dish the dirt. Tell me what's happened. Yeah. I think also, if you notice this, give me the lowdown on what's happened. The information. Give me the down low on what happened. Give me the lowdown. Tell me what happened. And then on the down low, something that's secret. So they want to keep this on the DL. You can use it like that as well, on the down low. Yeah, keep it on the down low. Don't tell anyone about it. This information is on the down low. So maybe give me the lowdown on the down low. Give me the information about the secrets, about the things that are secret. Let's see. I've also read that this word on the down low can talk about black Afro-American men who externally appear heterosexual, but they engage in homosexual activities. Okay, but I think that's very specific. So the down low, the information. Yeah, what happened? Give me the down low. Give me the DL. So either keep it on the down low. On the down low, I'll tell you this on the down low. It's secret. And then give me the down low or the lowdown, the information about this. Okay, so if somebody gives you something on the down low, it's on the hush hush. It's something to be kept secret. It's something that this person doesn't want spread about. Yeah, he had been having an affair with his secretary on the down low for the past couple of years. Yeah. Or maybe a star finds somebody they really like and they start dating on the down low without anybody knowing. They're trying to keep it secret. But the down low in itself is the information. Yeah. The down low, yeah, a condition of secrecy. But give me the down low on this. Give me the lowdown both ways. Okay, so as to formality, well, firstly, this is American, and I would say all of these phrases are informal. I think 3.5 informality, using an informal conversation, using a semi-formal conversation. What about a semi-formal writing? I think on the down low, semi-formal writing probably not, maybe just, but no further than that. Yeah. So Yeah, and as to origin, well, I guess it's down and low. You don't shout about it, it's secret. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. On the down low, the lowdown.